Hey guys, here's Minecraft with you today. I'm gonna present you landings and takeoff. I'm gonna present you two landings, one takeoff. This, as you see, is the landing in Helsinki airport. It was a very windy and rainy and cloudy day. It was a hard landing, as you see. It was a little bit jumping. This is going to be a landing in Oslo. This is takeoff in Stockholm. Taking off in Stockholm. Yeah, as you see, the instruments showing that we are pulling up. And now the landing in Oslo. This was my first landing in Oslo airport, and I was trying to make it very good and very good in my brain. My first landing, and here we go. As I don't really remember how I made the landing, but it was very nice, I think. Nice. Okay guys, see you next time on the next video. Okay, bye. Bye.